Kingston, what are you doing? Kingston.
I would appreciate it if you would not film me in this outfit.
Are you decorating your tree? We can't film Grandma in this outfit. Well, I already got your bottom half. I just won't go up. Kingston. Kingston, I want to get a video of him decorating the tree. And he's just following you around, so I'm getting a lot of good shots of you at your backside. Kingston. Kingston. Do you see him? He's hoping. He's doing it.
I'm just going to let you do it if you're so good.
See, I'll do it. Uh-huh. You were doing it, huh? Yeah? Yeah. That's the camera. Oh. Look at Mommy. Say hi. Stand up. What are you doing?
He's swimming now.
Kingston, I'm filming you.
Break down some like.
I like it all too. It looks good.
They don't quite go to the outside.
Don't worry about it. The reflection on those silver balls will be perfect.
Thank you, Martha Stewart.
I know. Ooh, you okay? Hey, what do you have?
Stand. There's another phone over there.
Kingston, what are you doing?
Tangle it.
Uh-huh. Sam helping. Kingston,
You're
no.
going the wrong way, dude. The tree's over this way.
This is the shakiest video ever. Kingston. Come. Yeah. He's done. Oh, my phone, that's why. No. He's trying to run.
Here you go. Hey.
You little
Care
monkey.
about this phone.
Because he knows now. Yeah, that's his. Kingston, you not helping. Ooh, uh-oh. You okay?
Dang that thing. Push it. There you go.
Look at Mama. Kingston. I'm gonna get you.